Wow, this is really a cool glider. So there's this glide along with the wings. Wow, not bad. Wow. Hello guys, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. I'm Tri, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a new cool paper airplane. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper, and it should work for this paper airplane too. But keep in mind that this paper airplane is folded with a thin piece of paper. So if you have thick piece of paper, this may not work well. And let's start now. Let's flatten out the paper and fold the paper in half. So let me make sure that I fold it correctly. Unfold the paper and fold the paper in half again, this way. And unfold the paper. Now, I will start from the upper edge. I fold both sides to this crease. So let me do this side first. After I fold this side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright, then unfold the paper. Now, I can flip the paper over and I can see this intersection. I will use the intersection as a reference to fold the upper edge down. So use this point as a reference and fold down. Now you can also use this crease and the lower crease as a reference. So make sure that both creases are matched. This looks good. Now unfold the paper, flatten it down, and then flip the paper over. And now you can turn the paper like this. And now start from both sides, match both sides to the center crease. And press down the paper. Now, you can fold this upper part down too. So I fold it down and I press the paper down. Okay. So this is what we have. On the following step, this is tricky. Follow this step careful and you will make it. Okay, so start from this edge, fold to this intersection. So you can see this edge and the center crease. There's an intersection here, so you match this edge, that intersection. So I'm going to do it, and then unfold the paper. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Perfect. Now unfold the paper. Let's match both sides, both edges to the center crease. So I will do it this way. Make sure that you flatten the this part down and then match both sides together, and then you can fold this part of the paper down. This looks so cool. Now I will open this upper layer up and I match this edge to the center crease. So let's do it. Do it slowly. Okay. I can do it this way. I can match this part of the paper to the center crease first. And then press down the paper. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. And now I can fold this part of the paper up. Make sure that both sides are even too. if both sides are not even, the plane won't fly well. So let's do it. Here we go. So it will look like this, and then I flip the paper over. I fold this part of the paper down and press this. Press this. And turn the paper this way. Now I'm going to fold the paper in half. This part of the paper is very thick. That's why you have to curve this part of the paper first. And now I can fold the paper in half. On the following step, I will start from this edge and match it to this edge to create a wing. So just do it slowly. Press down the paper. Once I finish one side, flip the paper over and repeat the same for the other side. Let's adjust this size as well. If this is off, if this size is off, you should fold the other side off too. Otherwise, the plane won't fly well. So look like it is off for many parts of the paper airplane. So now I can adjust it a little bit by little. So let me unfold the paper, and I fold this a little bit more into the center crease. Okay, and I will want to see how it's matched. So for this side first, and I repeat the same for the other side. Okay, I may adjust it just a little bit. Okay, unfold the paper, flip it over, fold the paper in half, and then fold this side down, flip the paper over, and fold this side. Okay, and at the end of the paper airplane, this part of the paper airplane, let's fold this part of the paper airplane up to create the elevator. So when you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Turn the paper over and repeat the same fold. Alright, and now I can open the wings. Make sure that this one is goes straight. Okay, here we go. So this is a new paper airplane. You can try it outdoor, throw it in the wings, and you see it glide for a distance. So let's try it out. How do you think, guys? Isn't this awesome? Let's test this out one more time.